Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video of this new mini bike that I bought and put together. This is Bad Dog mini bike. This is the large balloon tire kit. So this came as a kit, like I said, with the frame, everything except for the motor, tires, wheels, sprocket, chain, brake. It's got a kind of a combination sprocket slash disc brake on the rear, which is kind of nice. Plenty of power to stop these big 22-inch tires. And I ended up using a Predator 301cc 8 horsepower motor. It's a good fit for this bike. The Predator 212 is a little on the small side, and this one didn't cost too much more, so I picked one of those up. Added some foot pegs on the rear. Sometimes I like to ride my son on the front, and gives me a place to put my feet as well. And this one has the Comet torque converter. I got the original Comet this time, not the Chinese version. It's a little bit hard to get it on this motor. You have to do some cutting and grinding to get it to fit. And yeah, anyways, had it powder coated. I don't know what kind of blue you would call this. It's a bright blue, and I'm pretty happy with the way it turns out. Runs and drives pretty good. Anyways, that's it guys, thanks for watching.